Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to your five Siddiq and five Amanah. Alright, so today is already 15th of July and today is Thursday. So I hope you are fine at home. Okay, so we are going to continue our lesson. As for today, actually we have finished Unit 7. Okay, we have finished Unit 7 and as for that, I want to do a review what we have learned throughout the units. Kita guna buat ulang kaji lah, revision apa yang kita dah belajar dalam unit 7 ni. Okay, right, so we look at the first one. We look at the objective first. So in this unit you will be able to understand the language focus in this unit. Cikgu nak kamu yang penting ialah kamu faham apakah language focus dalam unit ni. Yang penting Alright, so we started with the vocab about growing up, isn't it? Alright, you can refer to your page 72, your textbook. So I already gave you this slide actually. So you can see in page 72 there are a few features of humans. They are what? Height and build, hair, face and eyes, and other features. Okay, you can refer to the table here. I already explained to you what are the words mean. Okay, what are the meaning of the words? For example, average build is pertumbuhan badan yang biasa, average height ketinggian yang biasa. Okay, overweight terlebih berat badan, and you can read on your own. Okay, so these are the vocabs that you need to know. Okay, you need to refer to your textbook, page 73. And then in page 75, okay, the language focus, it is about object pronouns. Okay, the focus is object pronouns. So you can see here we discussed this last week actually. Right, this one we discussed this one, object pronouns. So object pronouns, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. There are 8 object pronouns that you need to know. Okay, for example, I will become me, you will become you again, he become him, she becomes her, it remains it, we becomes us, you becomes you again, and then the last one, they becomes don't. Okay, you need to memorize these 8 object pronouns. Usually, like I said last week, it is located in the middle or at the end of a sentence. Dia berada di tengah-tengah ataupun di akhir ayat. Okay, I remember this. He becomes him. I said she, her, it, you, I, me, you, they, them, and we, us. It's quite simple actually. I think most of you have memorized this. Okay, you learn this from standard 1 until standard 6. Okay, you will learn this next year again. And then at the same page, we have affirmative and negative. Okay, this one. Okay, I go to affirmative first. Okay, affirmative in a simple word, it is something like you involved in that action. Kamu terlibat dalam perkara tu. For example, this one, he worked yesterday. It's not, bukan kamu terlibat, orang itu terlibat. Orang di dalam ayat itu. So for example, this one, he worked yesterday. Maknanya lelaki ni, he ni, so it refers to a boy, a man, right? So he worked yesterday. Dia bekerja semalam. So if I want to change to negative, like I always remind you, negative, the most important feature is it has not. Okay, you just add not. Okay, tengok ni, dia berubah jadi apa? He did not work yesterday. Alright, he did not work yesterday. Dia tidak bekerja semalam. Maknanya dia tak terlibat lah. He did not work yesterday. Okay, if you notice here, these two sentences, they are in simple past tense, isn't it? Because of the word yesterday. Dua-dua ni past tense. But yesterday, dia dah berlaku lah. So, affirmative, you either use ed. This one is regular verb. Regular, usually you have to add ed. Okay. Or irregular, yang tak tambah ed. Dia sama, dia berubah. Okay. Okay, tengok. He worked yesterday. Past tense. So, we change to negative. Kita tambah apa? Auxiliary did Kita tambah auxiliary did kan. Did dengan not. Did not. Okay, like I always mention, did, after did, you must use base form. Selepas did, mesti kata asal. He did not work. Sebab tu kita tak boleh letak worked macam ni. Kita tak boleh letak ed kat sini. Dia jadi work. Base form. Okay, so okay. If you want to make a question from this, macam mana kita buat soalan pula dari sini? Cikgu gabungkan semua because this is a revision. Okay, senang je. Like I said in the previous lesson, if you want to make question, you just have to add auxiliary did or question word. Okay, kita tambah did ataupun question word. Question word tu seperti WH question lah. What, where, how. Okay, we look at the situation. Kita tengok situasi dia. Sesuai ke tak? In this situation, no need to add what or why or did. Or who. So, the most suitable word is did. So, you just add what? You just add did he work yesterday? Adakah dia bekerja semalam? So, kamu tengok sini kamu tambah did, dia sama konsep dia. Did he work yesterday? Kena guna base form sebab apa? Sebab ada did. Okay, did he work yesterday? Kita ambil daripada ayat ni lah. Faham Okay, the second example, we look here. He went to the school. Affirmative. Ni irregular verb. Kita tambah ed. Sorry, dia tak tambah ed kan? Dia berubah. When is the past tense form for go? So, if we change to negative, look here very carefully. Did, ada did, ada not. So the verb should be in base form. He did not go to school. Nampak He did not go to school. Sebab apa? Sebab ada did ni, dia jadi kata asal. So, nak jadikan question, senang. We just add auxiliary did. Did he go to school? Right. Example number 3. He finished the work. He did not finish the work. Did he finish the work? Okay, they cleaned the house. They did not clean the house. Did they clean the house? Okay. We bought new books. We did not buy new books. Did we buy new books? Alright. So, kamu kena ingat kalau negative, ada did, ada not, followed by base form. Okay, how to make questions from statements, page 77. Okay, the same thing as above. Right, ini pun kita dah belajar. Cikgu ulang balik So, for example, you are given these statements. Sorry. Okay, he went to school in Ontario, Canada. Okay, so kalau macam ni, dia sesuai untuk ditambah question word. They use where. Okay, so don't worry. Question word where, tambah aja did. Where did he? Sebab apa guna he? Sebab dia he kat atas ni kan, dia sama. Alright. Where did he go to school? Dia went jadi go. Okay, he, ambil kat sini. Go. Sebab apa jadi go tadi? Sebab ada did. So, where did he go to school? Ni kita ambil juga to school kat atas ni kan. Sama. So from the statement, you can create your own questions, okay, by using this step. You look at the first one, question word, auxiliary. You look at the question word here. The second step is auxiliary verb. The third one is subject. The fourth one is main verb, and the fifth one is other words. Okay, you need to consider all these elements. Then you can create your own questions. So his family moved to the USA when he was 17. Okay, so when he was 17, okay, kita boleh agak 17 ni umur kan, ini menunjukkan masa. So masa kita guna apa? When. Okay, when. Okay, kenapa guna when? Sebab dia merujuk pada ni, masa ni, 17 tahun. Okay, so auxiliary did again. When did his family, we just take from here. Where did his family move to the USA? Did base form move to the USA. USA kita ambil daripada mana? Daripada ayat atas ni. Okay, boleh faham Okay, statement. No, he didn't go to university. Okay, this one, it is not suitable for us to add any question words. We just use auxiliary verb did. Okay. No, he didn't go to school. We just add did here. Subject he is same as here. Did he go to school? Right. And then in page 79, okay, 79, it is about biographical questions and answers. Okay, this one we just learned this Monday, right? So this is for you to read and to understand how you are supposed to ask and respond to questions. For example, the text in page 79, it is about Chris Hemsworth, right? Okay, cikgu dah bagi contoh kan? I give you an example here. Okay. You can look exercise 2 in page 79. Okay, ni contoh ni. What's Chris Hemsworth like in real life? Okay, where exactly did he grow up? He became well known in an Australian TV series. He's best known for his roles in for his song the film Storm and Snow White and the Huntsman. What about his personal life? It looks like he likes surfing and films. Okay, these are examples of how you can ask questions to somebody. Okay, dalam situasi ni, Chris Hemsworth adalah seorang pelakon. Okay, yang berlakon sebagai Thor dalam cerita Avengers, right? So this one is suitable for the interviewer to the actor, to a reporter, from the reporter to the actor. So you can you can practice this dialogue. You need to consider who are your audience, okay, who are your audience, and you need to know what are the words that are suitable to be used in your questions. Alright, and then next we learned about language point, which is about punctuation. Okay, this one we did last Monday. Okay, I think most of you know about this, but some of you still got wrong in the exercise. Okay, so we have an exclamation mark, question mark, a capital letter, a comma, an apostrophe, and a full stop. Okay, exclamation mark is for what? It's for this one, for an imperative or for an exclamation or an imperative. Okay, something like you are surprised, satu arahan, okay, or menjerit, exclamation mark. Okay, question mark, the same thing as bahasa Melayu, question mark is used at the end of a question. Pertanyaan soalan lah. Okay. Capital letter at the beginning of a sentence and with names, countries, nationalities, and names of books, films, and songs. So it means that capital letter at the beginning of a sentence and it is used for proper nouns, kata nama khas, comma, in list, and for pauses. Kita membuat senarai ataupun untuk berhenti seketika kan. And apostrophe. For example, we are Susans. Okay, apostrophe ni it is used to show short forms and to show position. Maksud dia short form, dia pendekkan yang tu. Macam we are menjadi we are. And then possession ni maksud dia kepunyaan. Dia kepunyaan Susan's mother, Susan's bag. Maksud dia emak kepada Susan. Kalau macam Susan's bag, bag itu kepunyaan Susan. Okay. And then the last one, a full stop. Full stop, okay, to indicate that the sentence has finished. So it is used at the end of a sentence. Dia menunjuk kepada pengakhiran ayat lah. Dia digunakan di akhir ayat. Okay, I think that's all that we learn in Unit 7, right? So I took the most important aspect. You can read it again on your own. Alright, and if you have anything, you can message me. So, having said that, so I hope you can answer the quiz in Google Form. Okay, it will be about this unit, all the language focus that we had learned in this unit. Alright, so thank you, and yeah, see you after the holiday.